Professor Eugene Koonin is among the most influential evolutionary biologists of our time, a scientist devoted to unraveling life's greatest mysteries through the power of computational science. Through decades of groundbreaking research, his discoveries have redefined our understanding of the genetic foundations of life, revealing the extraordinary complexity that links everything from the smallest viruses to the very origins of life on Earth. Born and educated in the Soviet Union, Professor Koonin began his career studying bacterial genetics at the Soviet Academy of Medical Sciences. In 1991, he joined the U.S. National Institutes of Health, becoming a senior investigator just 5 years later. Today, he heads the Evolutionary Genomics Group at the National Library of Medicine, where he continues to explore the molecular forces that drive evolution. Professor Koonin's research uncovers the genetic building blocks that shape the evolution of life on Earth, including one of his most important contributions, the development of the concept of clusters of orthologous genes, a cornerstone of modern evolutionary biology. This framework allows scientists to trace related genes across species that diverged millions of years ago, revealing the shared genetic heritage of all living organisms. He was among the first scientists to describe and study horizontal gene transfer, the remarkable process by which bacteria exchange genetic material across species. This discovery shed light on key biological mechanisms, from the spread of antibiotic resistance to microbial adaptation under stress. Another landmark contribution was his discovery of the evolutionary role of the CRISPR mechanism, the natural genetic defense system that enables bacteria to protect themselves from viruses. His insights laid the scientific foundation for later biotechnological breakthroughs that now drive advances in genetic medicine, cancer therapy, and pandemic response. Koonin's early discoveries were instrumental in shaping the research that led to the awarding of the 2020 Nobel Prize in Chemistry to scientists from the United States and Germany. Across more than 4 decades of research, Professor Koonin has published over 1,100 scientific papers and reviews, cited hundreds of thousands of times. He is a member of the U.S. National Academies of Sciences and Medicine, a foreign member of the European Molecular Biology Organization, and holds honorary doctorates from leading universities across Europe and Israel. Beyond his extraordinary scientific achievements, Professor Koonin is a true friend of the University of Haifa and the State of Israel. Just 2 months after the horrors of October 7th, he was among the first international scholars to visit Israel. "I realize that this is a symbolic act," he said, "but symbols have their importance. It's important to me to identify with the residents of Israel, with those who were killed and injured in the Gaza envelope area. And sadly, there are so many of them." Then he traveled to volunteer in the Gaza border communities, offering help and solidarity to residents recovering from trauma and loss. The University of Haifa is deeply honored to confer upon Professor Eugene Koonin the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa, in recognition of his pioneering scientific contributions, his long-standing collaboration with the University of Haifa, and his unwavering friendship with the State of Israel.